What happens if you reset Android? Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button on top, then search factory reset and click on erase all data. In here you'll find three kind of reset option. First one is reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. This only be reset. And the second option is reset app preferences. This will reset all preferences for disable apps notification, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, any permission restrictions. And third one is erase all data, which will erase all data including account info, contacts, and data. This is what happens if you reset Android device. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.